Alright, so what I want to focus on is club face. So when you say you're hitting snaps and balls that go super right, the club face is something that we need to take a look at. And I want to take the club to parallel to the ground on a takeaway. And here we're going to see that the club is well underneath the plane, and that the club face here is almost perpendicular or parallel to our plane line. All right. In a perfect world, it's better that your club is going underneath that line, but we need to get this club face to be perpendicular to that line. Okay. This is causing a sporadic distance and sporadic strikes and sporadic curvatures or direction of the golf ball. Okay, because now what is happening is that the forearms are starting to rotate. We don't really want any forearm rotation. It looks like they're rotating their forearms on television, but they're really not. And I'll show you another video here in a second of a tour player, how their club face is pointed to the golf ball still when they take the club away. Okay, they're not turning their forearms. Yes, they're turning their body, but they're keeping the club face looking down at the ground longer. Okay. When this happens, the club goes underneath our hands. The club gets heavy. I'll tell you what that means here in a second. When the club gets heavy, we have to release it soon. That's another reason why we have the club face open at impact and we're hitting the ground 6 inches behind the golf ball occasionally on impact. Okay, so you're doing a great job of changing your body. Look at how that left knee's pointing down at the golf ball. You have great shoulder tilt here. You have a massive amount of club depth. That should be like almost hook central. All the golf balls should be going left, but with your club face, you're defeating yourself with that. So we have to get this club face more square in the takeaway.